Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Fedora to your virtual box. Let's start. First, we need to install Fedora ISO. I will drop the link in the comments. Go to the Fedora workstation. Then download the Fedora 42 disk image. While it's downloading, if you haven't downloaded the virtual box, you can download it. After download, open your virtual box. I am using VirtualBox, but if you guys want to know how to install Linux on VMware, just drop a comment. Now, click New. Set a name. I'll use Fedora. Select the folder where you want to keep your machines. Now, select the disk image that we downloaded recently. Select the type as Linux. I am using 64-bit, but if you have 32, then choose the 32-bit option. Now, we need to specify how many gigabytes of RAM we want the virtual machine to use. I'll set that to 8 GB. Then we need to specify numbers of processors, but be careful not to exceed the limit. Just stay in the green area. Lastly, we need to specify how many gigabytes we want to use in the virtual machine. I will set this to the 75. Now it's done, but still we need to do some settings. Go to Settings, click Advanced. These two settings allows you to share files, folders, or copied texts between the virtual machine and your main computer. I will set that both to the bi-directional. Go to Display and set video memory to max. Additionally, if you want to use your external GPU in your virtual machine, follow these settings. Now go to Network Settings. I will choose NAT, but if you want to connect your virtual machine via SSH, for example, you can use a bridged adapter. Now we are good to go. Let's start our machine. Click once to the screen and start Fedora Workstation. And if you want full screen, go to View and choose Full Screen. Select your language. In this page, we need to choose the hard drive that we want to use. In my case, it's selected automatically, but if it didn't choose automatically, you can go to Change Destination and select your disk. Also, if you want to secure your disk, you can use this encryption setting, but I won't use it now. This is the summary of the setup. Look at this carefully, and if everything is right, you are good to go. Okay, now it's installing. We just have to wait for a while on this screen, take a cup of coffee, and relax while installation. Now it's successfully installed. We need to turn off the machine because we have to do one more setting. Now go to Settings again and choose Storage. Choose the Fedora under the Controller IDE. Click the disk icon and select Remove Disk. Okay, now everything is done. You can close this page. Now open your machine again. And let's choose some settings again. And it's now fully done. You can use your machine however you want. And also, if you want some useful settings for your machine, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.